Hey guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you today DashClock, which is this thing just here. It's predominantly used as a lock screen widget, I think, by a lot of people, but I don't really use lock screens, so I'm choosing it on my home screen. It's become quite a famous app. It's almost like you would imagine it's kind of part of Android. A lot of apps will almost use like a selling point of, we've got a DashClock extension. Here's my setup of what I've added, and it's very easy to add extensions. You tap at the bottom there. My choices of what's left sort of thing are still there, and all I do is I would just select one. You can then do your settings, that's fine, but actually I don't want that, so I'm going to just swipe it away because I've got the BBC weather up at the top. You do you do get different settings for different apps. Select the calendar, show appointments for the next however long. TV show. Now what I don't quite understand, Gmail is there, music is there, but they're not there. Now, okay, I've got no unread Gmails, but I did have some a short while ago and they weren't showing up, so I'm not quite sure how that works. You can obviously change their position by sliding at the side there, and if you go to get more extensions, there's loads in the Play Store. Like I say, I mean, it's a very famous widget. You've probably already heard about it. And if I wanted to, so I quite like the idea of this one, DashClock storage extension. I'm just going to simply install that. Installing, there it is. And I'm going to come back to the app, and I would hope storage, there it is. Oh, there's no settings, but let's take that up near the top. Actually, I'm going to be a calendar right at the top. So there is the storage one. 46% free internal, 720 meg of 3 gig free. Is that all? External 4.7 of 9.5. Now tapping on that does nothing, unfortunately. Other ones, obviously, you tap on, they will open up relevant things. I want that just tells me the what we number are in. So it's almost a shame there's no options on there that I could have set. I've got another app called Disk Usage, which gives me the detail of that sort of thing. Now a lot of apps have DashClock extensions built into them when you install them, such as Falcon Pro. Now because I've got nothing unread, right, there's one unread. Let's come back out. One new tweet. A few moments ago it was saying 66 new tweets, and I went in and I kind of read through them. So it's only when it's relevant, I suppose. Like the music extensions, if I start that up, well, there it is. So thrift, and I tap that and it opens. Go away. Oh, that's my fault. I've set the wrong application. Oh, play music. No, not music. I've got the same icon. I want to be careful. I don't want it to get taken down from YouTube. So let's just pause that again there. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it's very handy widget. It can go anywhere on your screen. It starts off as I think 4.2, but obviously I'm using Nova Launcher and it lets me change the size of it. I'm going to find DashClock. There it is. 4.2, and DashClock settings. I'm not entirely sure. Is that literally just a settings button? Yeah. So I suppose if you've got it on your lock screen and you want to be able to access it from your normal home screen. No, I like that actually. So the music has, that's one of the options, is to keep it there when paused. So now I can start and stop it, show when paused. If I untick that, it's gone again. So there you go. Like I say, a lot of apps like TV show favs, so it tells me when upcoming shows, and again there's customizable, so I can have it showing just like when the next show of a particular show is. That's the BBC weather app, has a DashClock extension. So yeah, it's oh, I would have thought that would have opened a clock or something. It didn't do anything. Why is that? Don't know. Ooh, appearance. So we get to change the clock type and what the date looks like. Which is kind of cool. Still doesn't open anything. On advanced, then look at this one. Sorry, look, clock shortcut. There we go. Now we're talking. Clock. Home screen widget background, so we can change the opacity. Always center results. Hide settings button. Fine. There we go, and now, there you go. So it is quite handy. I mean, I would be tempted myself to even use it as kind of my main front. It's got a lot of information on there, obviously, and the information that you want, and you can customize it in many ways that you feel you see fit. If I just have interest, let's try. Oh no, I didn't want that, do I? Oh yeah, I did. Fully transparent. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, so I mean that's kind of, well, maybe white on my, but maybe I did a darker background, but that's quite it's quite cool looking. Yeah, and I can see why you might want to get rid of the settings button and then have that other widget somewhere else to get into the settings. Or I suppose you could have it so you tap the clock and open settings. All sorts of options, I guess. Maybe there's even a DashClock extension that opens the settings. Who knows? Anyway, so there you go. DashClock. Check it out. My name's Andy. Catch you all again soon.